Hola chicos, ¿cómo están?
Chicos, ¿cómo están? ¿Qué tal mis cracks? 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 ¿Qué tal mis cracks?
Hello guys, welcome to Recetas Goleadoras. Today we want to make a really good dish. It's gonna be like a vegetarian dish, something like that. It's gonna be really fresh for you because we want to use a sauce and we want to make it with garlic, salt, mint, and okay, that's gonna sound crazy, I know, but we want to use yogurt. So it's gonna be really fun, it's gonna be really good, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to follow the page and click below down below. Okay? So we're gonna start right now and we're ready to cook. Let's go. So the first thing that we're gonna do is really easy. We're gonna we're gonna take our bread and what we're gonna put right here. We want our bread toast, and then we're going to start with the sauce. So we're going to come over here and we're going to start today. Oh, I'm so sorry. First we want to see the ingredients. Please, cameraman, do your job. Boom.
So now that we have everything, we're going to start with the sauce. For the sauce, we're going to use yogurt. We're going to put yogurt and then we're going to cut some mint and we're going to add it. We're going to mix a little bit and then we're going to squeeze one lemon. That's fine, that's perfect. We put salt, pepper, and the last is going to be garlic. That is, you could use minced garlic or you can use blend garlic, that's fine. Then we're going to add oil, just a little bit. You can use vegetable oil or olive oil. So our sauce is ready and we're gonna reserve that. So now we're gonna start cutting our vegetables. So we're gonna start with the tomato. For the tomato we just need some slices. So as you can see, it is not that big and not too small. Then we're gonna cut the cucumber. It's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be slices. And for the last one, that is gonna be the avocado. You can use a slice too, or if you want you can do it like cubes. For me it's much better if I use a slice. Great cracks, now that we have our mise en place ready, it's time to make our sandwich. So we're gonna start with some sauce. We're gonna start putting some sauce on our bread and then we put the tomatoes, the cucumber, the avocado, and the last one is gonna be the sprouts. You can put a little bit more of sauce if you want, and it is ready. It is ready.
So perfect, guys. We have ready our toast. Well, you see it when I did it. It is right here. And then we're gonna go to this part. We're gonna taste it. Let's see how is it. We don't know. Let's try it. Boom. This is really good, actually. Just give me 1 second, because my mom teach me that I can talk and eat at the same time. You know what? Yes, wait. No, I have to say bye first. Well, this is the recipe of the day. It is really good and it's really fresh. I think you're gonna like it, so you have to make it at home, okay? So don't forget to follow the page, click on the bell, and that's gonna be everything today. So have a great time, and I see you in the next chapter. Bye guys.